Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The Planning Institute of Jamaica is estimating that Jamaica's economy grew by 1.9% for the quarter ended September this year relative to the corresponding period last year. The revelation was made at the PIOJ's quarterly press briefing today. While higher levels of employment and the positive performance in the tourism and manufacturing sectors were contributing factors, the PIOJ says growth was led by the mining and quarrying industry. The sector grew by 102%. This was due to higher alumina production, which increased by 136.6%. As for manufacturing,
it was estimated to be 3.2%, stemming from increased output in both the food, beverages and tobacco and other manufacturing sub-industries. Growth in the food, beverages and tobacco sub-industry stemmed from higher production of condensed milk, up 92.2%, flour, up 58.8%, bakery products, up 3.2%, poultry meat, up 0.6%, rum and alcohol, up 16.6%, and carbonated beverages, up 3.3%.
Overall, economic growth is projected for the remainder of the calendar year. The PIOJ is also projecting that for the October to December period, real GDP is projected to increase within the range of 1 to 2%.
To this positive outlook are 1. Supply chain disruptions due to the impact of geopolitical conflicts and the potential impact on trade and transportation infrastructure and costs. In addition to the potential negative impact on demand and trade, these disruptions may also contribute to higher than desired inflation. 2, slower than anticipated recovery in the economies of Jamaica's main trading partners, which may temper the external demand for Jamaica's goods and services. And 3, adverse weather conditions, particularly from hydrological events. The recent heavy rains, which followed a sustained period of dry conditions in the previous quarters, have further highlighted Jamaica's vulnerability to these shocks and the negative impact on the economy.
To the stock market now, the JSE index gained 483 points today, while the junior market lost 15 points. Among the 43 winners, AMG Packaging and Paper Company, T-Tech, Epley, Margaritaville Turks and Jamaica Public Service 7% shares. The 42 losers were led by General Accident Insurance, Tropical Battery, Carbon Producers, Sterling Investments and iCreate. 23 stocks traded firm. The Jamaican dollar lost 18 cents against the US currency at the close of trading on Tuesday. It's costing an average $156.40 for $1 US. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $114.14. $195.64 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $172.88. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.